Well, the recent crypto boom has been a huge boon for the NFT space. That news that Visa purchased a CryptoPunk NFT for $150,000.
At least one NFT has sold for $1 million or more every day.
$69 million NFT at Christie's.
NFT. So many people are talking about NFT. They say it will change the internet. It will streamline businesses, arts, revenue streams. But moreover, is it a good investment? Or for artists, is it worth putting time? But wait, before evaluating if that's true or not, there is something important we must know. And that is, what is NFT? Answer for this question is this video. Before I can tell you NFT or non-fungible token, or what that word means, I need to tell you something very basic. The value system in this world. When a person is fulfilled with its basic needs in life like food, shelter, clothes, etc., they tend to spend on things which they think have value, or they enjoy their time in presence of those things. For example, Pokemon cards for kids, Royal Enfield for youngsters, hi-fi games or gadgets, and sometimes they are so expensive. Reason? Because someone values them. And that's what drives the price. And now second thing which persons seek is the authentication. Like there must be someone or some organization which authenticates that you own something. Otherwise, how will you prove that you own that? In case of bikes, you have registration cards, bill on your name. In case of gadgets, again that's a bill. So now you know what is value system and what is authentication around it. Now let's see that in context of arts or creativity. As people value gadgets, cars, bike, there are some who value art. They find and buy paintings. Some go and buy original CDs or albums of their favorite artists like BTS. Some even buy the merchandise like t-shirts. Another example is Marvel movies. People value them so much that they pay a huge amount to buy Captain America's t-shirts, keychains, or Iron Man's toys, Thor's hammer, and whatnot. And that's how art is sold. Really, it's fascinating to see how many fans really value them. Now when you have understood this, let's see what is non-fungible. In all the examples I gave you previously, there can be so many copies of same thing. Like there can be millions of copies of Marvel t-shirts or BTS t-shirts. So whichever copy you get out of those millions, you are fine with that. But now imagine BTS himself signs one of the t-shirts and give it to you. That t-shirt is one and only one. You will not like to exchange with any t-shirt. And that what is non-fungible. When something is unique and someone values it. Imagine a case of Mona Lisa. Original Mona Lisa is only one and only one. That's why its price increases. This makes Mona Lisa non-fungible. Similar way, Taj Mahal is non-fungible. You and I are non-fungible. Really? So what exactly is non-fungible token and why it came now? Even its form of art existed before. Today is the world of digital era, where most form of art is digital in nature. Like digital paintings, videos, music, pictures, and those are easy to copy. And how will one establish the ownership? Even the bills which I talked about initially can be forged. And in digital era, when something can be easily copy-pasted, how will someone tell that they own it in transparent way? Answer to this was found using blockchain. Wait, what is blockchain? It is network of computers all over the world, and their sole job is to validate transactions, like how banks do, but in a decentralized way. Means no one owns it. This group of computers validates, approves, or rejects a monetary transaction. And this can also provide a token, which is a set of number if some transaction is approved. Let me explain you with example. I want to buy an art from you, which is of 5 crypto coins. In order to give you 5 coins, I must have those coins with me. So this network, which is blockchain, digitally validates if I have those coins or not. If yes, takes those coins and send it to you. In return, also gives a token to me saying I own that art now. That's how I own that art. Now that token is unique, and whosoever has that token will be the owner. In future, if I sell that art to the next person, that person will get the token. And that is what is NFT. But why it came now? Answer is simple. Now the establishment of blockchain is really shining. There are more and more people who are joining the network of blockchain known as miners. And hence, new applications like NFT are coming over it. In NFT, a person owns something digitally. which he or she values, that is unique and that is authenticated by millions of people and computers all around the world. As NFT provides authentication, this can streamline a lot of things digitally. But as of now, NFT art is what gaining more eyeballs. People are buying the art which they value or they think they can sell at higher price. I hope this video is helpful. In this month and next, I am coming with more content on NFTs. I will try to bring you more insights about this world. Try to explain you new developments in easy to understand way. Follow and subscribe to see more such content on NFT and crypto. This is Supneer Singh signing off. See you in next video.